In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe with Shopify 5 minutes. Let's get right into it. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head down to Settings. This is where all your store level controls live. Once you're in Settings, open the Payments section. This page controls which payment gateways your customers can use at checkout. On the Payments page, look for the option to choose a payment provider. If you see a button or link labeled Choose a Provider or something similar, click it. You'll be taken to a list of third-party payment providers. In the list or search bar, find Stripe and select it. Quick note, in some regions, Shopify promotes its own gateway called Shopify Payments, which is powered by Stripe. If Shopify Payments is available for your country, you may not see Stripe listed separately. In that case, use the Third-Party Providers tab or confirm that third-party gateways are allowed for your store. After you select Stripe, click Connect. A secure Stripe window will open. Enter the email address associated with your existing Stripe account and sign in. If Stripe prompts you to confirm your identity or approve the connection, follow those prompts. You'll be asked to authorize Shopify to connect to your Stripe account so it can process payments on your store's behalf. Next, follow the verification steps Stripe presents. These can include confirming your business information, your legal name, business address, bank account details for payouts, and basic information about your products or services. Fill out everything accurately and completely. This helps prevent payout delays and account holds. If you operate in multiple currencies or sell internationally, make sure your Stripe and Shopify currency settings align so your payouts and fees are calculated correctly. When Stripe finishes the authorization, you'll be redirected back to Shopify. You should now see Stripe listed as your payment provider. Make sure it's enabled and that your settings are saved. If available, review which payment methods you want to accept, such as major cards and digital wallets, and verify that transaction emails and checkout settings look good. A couple of quick tips: if you run into issues, try completing the connection in a private or incognito browser window, ensure you're logged in as a full admin in Shopify, and double check that pop-up blockers aren't preventing the Stripe window from opening. Finally, place a small test order to confirm your checkout flows smoothly from cart to confirmation. And that's it. You've connected Stripe with Shopify, and you're ready to accept payments securely on your store.